Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell Solana on Binance. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you have a Binance account, and if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, in order to sell your Solana on Binance, all you have to do is simply click on the wallet option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you're dropped at the overview, which houses all of your cryptocurrency assets. Now, a simple reload is going to help us identify our Solana here. And once you found the Solana, simply scroll over to your spot or funding wallet, depending on where the token is stored. Okay guys, and once you're on the spot wallet and you can't find your Solana, head over to the funding or the earning wallet. And as you can see here, the Solana is on our funding wallet. So all you need to do to get your Solana on the funding wallet is click on the transfer option. That is after the initial deposit, click on transfer. So once you selected transfer, you're going to be moving your available Solana from your funding to your spot. All you need to do is simply click on max and confirm. So guys, now with the Solana here, all we need to do to cash it out or sell our Solana is quite simple. Head over to the home section. Once there, we have the convert option. Click on convert, and where we have the spot wallet drop down, click on spot wallet and select the funding wallet. Now select the meme token, select Solana. In place of Solana, select the USDT, click on max, and we're going to be converting our available Solana into the USDT. So click on preview conversion. Now simply click on convert. By doing this, we successfully converted our Solana. Now the next step in order to cash out our Solana is quite simple. Make sure you're on the wallet section and your Solana or your USDT is on the funding wallet. Now with the USDT on this funding wallet, it's quite easy to sell this. All you need to do is select the P2P option that's just here. Click on P2P. And for the P2P, we're going to be working with the USDT. So simply click on sell. Now, once on the sell menu, head over to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As I said earlier, you need an account on Binance to perform this transaction. So once you have an account on Binance, simply click on payment method and simply add a payment method. Now, your payment method would vary depending on your region and the supported banks around there. So once you found your bank, add your bank and simply head back home. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell. If you could remember, we had some USDT we got from converting our Solana. So simply click on the sell option that you can find. Enter the amount you wish to sell. As you can see, the minimum is quite small. Enter the amount and simply click on sell USDT. By doing this, we've cash out our USDT into our bank account, which is already here. As you can see, the bank account is here. So we can cash this out by simply selling our available USDT. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can sell Solana on Binance and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.